Hi, good morning boys and girls. It's me, Miss Denise, and we are going to make an earth, a really cool earth out of paint. And look at how cool that is. They'll all be different. Now this one I just did with you guys right now. This one I did earlier. I did it yesterday actually. It would be cool to do a whole bunch of them and then make a big picture of them, wouldn't it? Well, I would love to see your Earth, and maybe you could do some planets too. Maybe you could do Mars or Jupiter. Ooh, or the moon. Oh, that would be really neat. Okay, so when you guys make your Earth or any other cool planets, make sure that you have your grown-up post them on Facebook so I can see them, okay? Thank you guys for joining me, and you have fun. I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.